jeepers, Stan, you're late again.
Oh, I'm sorry, Joe. The kids were crazy. Sybil was losing a tooth, and Marlene wanted to play her trombone, and Roxana spilled her milk anywhere. It was chaos.
Stan, my cat, you gotta get it together, okay? If you don't, that'll be it. Like Dr. Cockcroft doesn't have any time for slackers.
Well, doesn't he know I'm a widower with 7 children to take care of?
According to him, Zeep is all we should be taking care of.
But I'm getting a bum rap here, Joe. Ever since their mother died, the children have been a little, well, they've been,
They're crazy. Stan, all that matters is Zeep. You're always tired and you come in late. Your mind's distracted and you can't think straight. Cockcroft's watching, you're the one he'll blame. He's watching you, so you better step up your game. Stand feel good, stand feel good. Why can't you start work on time? You're smart and clever, that's for sure. But you need to work harder or you will be out that door. Stand feel good, stand feel good. Why can't you start work on time? You're smart and clever, that's for sure. But you need to work harder or you will be out that door. When we stay late, you shoot too. So you got to leave, cause Hazel's got the cloak across the watching. He's gonna know your name. He's watching you, so you better step up your game. Stand feel good, stand feel good. Why can't you start work on time? Stand feel good. Stan, my cat, if you want to keep your job, you got to find a way to get in here on time and stay late.
but what can I do?
You gotta get a dame. You gotta get a nanny, a nun, a girlfriend, a hooker, an Abel Grable, whatever it takes, but you gotta get it done fast.
Joe, I don't need a nanny, a girlfriend, a nun, a hooker, or an able grave.
But, hear me out here. What if Grable is really able?
Come on, Bruno. I got 5 girls at home already. I don't need another one messing up the works. You got that, Bruno?
Okay.
Bruno?
Yes, no nanny, nun, girlfriend, Abel Grable.
No hooker!
Oh, yes, no.
Oh, my goodness. All right.